Hi, my name is Kevin, and today I want to show you my cleaning robot I built out of my Ev3 robotic Legos. I did build one previously, but this one is the brand new one with sensors and stronger motors and the Ev3 bricks. So it's the 2.0. It has the ultrasonic sensor which detects items in front using sound, and then the two large motors which control the driving, and the back media motor which spins the sponge that cleans it. I also have two touch sensors. One is to activate the media motor at the back, and one is to start the program for driving. So basically, like what you saw in the intro, every time the sensor detects something, it will turn either left or right. Okay, so now I'll show you how it works. If you would follow me. So if I set it down here and I go into the program, so you can see this activates the back media motor, and it displays that the media motor is on. The other button activates the program, and so now it would go. But for example, if like my foot was a wall, it would back up a bit and then it would turn. And all the time you can see it's displaying its status. Also, in situations like this, it'll turn continuously, but like after 3 tries, it'll turn the other way again, so it doesn't get stuck in a repetitive loop. Hi, my name is Kevin, and today I want to show you my cleaning room. God.
What are you doing?